Hey guys, what's up? Okay, this is Channel M, and what I'm going to do is um, I'm shooting a video on the latest software which has been launched by Sony. So here I have my Sony Android TV, as you can see, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly run through the process and show you that it's a very big update which is out for the Sony TV, and I wanted to post a couple of other videos to compare the new Apple TV with a Sony TV, but the Sony TV, the new one, this is the 2015 model, so it's got Android built in. As you can see, you have different features, and you've got the Play Store as well. And if I just go over here, and I can quickly show you that, as you can see, there are different applications, and that's the Play Store. But what I'm really interested in is to show you the update, which is for this Sony TV, and it's a very big update. It's one of their major updates, which would have all the latest features, and would have one of the feature which is YouView. So yeah, let's go ahead and check for system software update. So it says system software update is available. A new TV system software update is available. Would you like to update it now? So it's going to take about 30 minutes. It's just telling me about the update, and so I'll just go ahead and hit update now, and yeah, so basically it'll start updating it, which is going to be fantastic. It's already, I think so, it's already downloaded it, because I had put it on automatic downloads. So the rest, it's just going to update the firmware, and that's going to be amazing, because once we have YouView on the Sony Android TV, you practically don't need the Apple TV. So guys, the software update has been completed, so let's go ahead and click OK to see what changes have been done. So yeah, that's the first thing. Obviously it's going to prepare all the programs. Wow, fantastic. Okay, as I can see it straight away that it's been updated with YouView. So it says, hello and welcome. YouView brings together the best live and catch-up TV with no need for a setup box. So that's the amazing thing, and that is the investment in this beautiful television, which I bought from Sony. I'm really happy to make this investment. It's 809C, which is a 3D. It's not 4K, but the resolution is amazing. So yeah, so we've got YouView now, so there's no need for a setup box. So I can just go ahead and click next. As you can see, it shows beauty iPlayer, ITV Player and Demand TV. Let's go next. So obviously you need a internet connection. So your YouView trusted partners can improve. Yeah, no problem, that's fine. I'm happy with that. No worries about data theft and all that sort of stuff. So oh my god, this is just amazing. So do you want start auto tuning? I didn't have this feature before, so let's go for auto tuning. So it asks you antenna or cable. I'll just go to yeah, I've got antenna. So it's going to basically tune all the channels again. So yeah guys, this is just the time I was waiting for. Yeah, so YouView is ready to go. You can catch up a brand new Sony TV. So yeah, so as you can see from the apps, I've got so many different apps. I've got all these different players, and that's a really nice app as well. It's got free television. So the main thing, the TV seems to be fine. And yeah, I'll just put down the volume because I don't want it to. Okay, cool. So that is something new. I've never seen that was not before. So as you can see on the bottom, it's given me, if I basically push the cursor down, it gives me an option. Let's see if they change the guide. Yeah, the guide is completely changed now. It's absolutely changed. And let's see if it's fast. Yeah, it's pretty fast.
Was shattered
And let me put down the volume so that
fears are growing that
I
fighters
can.
are coming from neighboring
Right.
India.
Okay. So yeah, the interface, the layout is completely different. It's not as fast as it was before, but I can see that there are I think so. The channels are the same, but it's just the layout which has been changed, I guess. Right, so we've got now the buttons are working. The red button, it's filters. So let's go and hit filters, so I can apply filters like entertainment, HD, all that stuff, which is quite cool. The remote really works now. That is fantastic. Everything on your Sony remote is going to work. Guys, I think that this is seriously an Apple TV killer, and it's just amazing. I mean, I am literally set back by looking at it, and the best thing is that you can see it's given you a fantastic view on the top. It shows you the dates, what date is it today, and you can go backwards into say into another date, I suppose. So I can yeah, so if I click I can change the date to 3rd by using my remote control, which is just amazing. I can just go backwards to, I don't know, any of the days, and just watch whatever I want to watch. So which is just amazing. I think YouView's interface is fantastic. So on the top right corner, it's giving me today's date and the time. Next to it is the calendar, which can be manipulated by the remote control, and which is amazing. On the second, it says the cube, so let's go and hit the cube and see if it works, and let's see how it routes that. So yeah, exactly, I get it. So basically, the wrapper is of YouView, and it directly takes you to that specific application where you can, you know, watch the channel. And yeah, so it's taking me to a different application. So I can click home, I can go to settings, uh, yeah, exactly. So if we want to go back to the program channel, yeah, that's quite simple. I can just go back to the program channel. But yeah, instead of the benefit about YouView is that instead of installing 3 or 4 different applications like I used to watch, the Freeview and all those channels, I can simply live will be routed through the antenna, and the old programs would be routed through the application itself. So in case, even if you don't have a set-up box, even if you don't have an external hard drive, it'll still work. Now the main thing I wanted to check is if I can record a program, which is the most interesting thing, which I want to check. So say if I go into, I just, yeah, so say if I would want to, I can, let's see if I can watch now. I don't know if it's giving me an option. Yeah, I can't watch something in the future as I can see, but I can watch something in the past. Yeah, so yeah, it's giving me an option for Apprentice. So if I would want to go in watch Apprentice, that would load the BBC iPlayer, right? And yeah, okay, that straight away, it's really snappy, really fast. It's just amazing. Let's go back into TV. Okay, and it'll straight away take me to what's happening now. So I want to see if the action menu, if there's any change to the action menu. Right. Okay, what I've noticed is that the tweeting ability has been taken off. So there's no tweeting at the moment, but let me see if Discover is working. So Discover is the same. And if I go back into guide, I can do the guide, and I can click over here on the red button and give me all channels. That's fantastic. And I can press the green one, jump to now, literally jump to, and then I can edit channels as well. You can see that. So I can go into the blue one, the YouView menu. That's the main thing. You got players, you got guides. See, so that's the main thing in YouView. So they built the exterior wrapper, and now they have all these different players under one wrapper, you can say, like the YouView. And if I go into Discover, so yeah, that's fantastic. You can watch it by popularity. You can watch it by the latest programs. If I hit popularity and latest, so I can just hit latest, and it'll basically pop up all the latest ones, and then I can go into guide and players, and I can keep on scrolling again and again. So I believe that this is really it's been a major update, and I believe that with the passage of time, all these empty boxes will be filled by different applications. Probably not now, but this is something which YouView would automatically push from their server to the television. Either it'll be through software update, which I suppose it is, because YouView is not connected directly to the YouView server. It's an application which has been launched, but we are through YouView, and I think that YouView is just going to be a killer for any sort of Roku or Google Chrome or everything, you know. I mean, but having an Android television, it has got its own perks, because if I go into home, I can show you that the different sort of facilities I have because of my Android TV. I can go through all these different programs. I can download applications, and straight away I can just go into them. So it's a big thing. But YouView is obviously a fantastic thing. So yeah, guys, so this is the Sony Android TV with the latest firmware, which is just launched today, 4th of November, with the YouView program guide. And yeah, so that is just amazing. So yeah, I think it's just fantastic. Right, guys, thanks for watching, and do subscribe, like and share my channel, and if there's any other new tech stuff coming out, I'll definitely post on Channel M. And yeah, so that is that. Go ahead and treat yourself, and before Christmas and New Year, try to buy a Sony Android TV and get the latest from the YouView